Diagnosing issues in extensive, unstructured server logs can prove to be quite challenging. When a vital production system fails, you confront thousands of lines filled with chaotic, inconsistent text. Engineers have historically depended on intricate regular expressions to interpret these logs. However, traditional regex is often fragile. When a vendor alters their log format or an unforeseen stack trace occurs, your regex may fail, rendering your monitoring dashboards ineffective. Today, we will explore a significantly improved method. We will utilize lightweight large language models to analyze those chaotic logs and transform them into well-structured JSON data. Welcome to Creative AI Lab. Rather than dictating the exact location of timestamps or error codes, we simply outline our desired structure. The AI takes care of the extraction process seamlessly. To ensure reliability, we employ the Python library Pydantic alongside OpenAI's structured outputs. Using Pydantic allows us to define our target JSON schema as a straightforward Python class. This ensures the AI consistently returns valid JSON that meets our data specifications. Let's examine how to configure this. Initially, we import the OpenAI library along with the base model class from Pydantic. Next, we establish our desired output structure. We create a class named logEntry that extends from base model. Within this class, we specify the precise fields to extract. For instance, we may define a timestamp string, an error level string, an IP address string, and a Boolean flag indicating if it's a security threat. Pydantic's type hints guide the AI on the required data types. Now, we develop the extraction script. We initialize the OpenAI client and send a raw log line to the model. But here's the essential part. Instead of simply requesting JSON and hoping for the best, we utilize the client.beta.chat.completions.parse method. We include our Pydantic class in the response format parameter. This compels the AI to constrain its output, ensuring no keys are omitted and formats remain valid. The return is a fully validated Python object, ready for export as a JSON file or for direct database insertion. You can iterate this script over an entire folder of mixed format log files. Whether dealing with an Apache web server error, an SSH login attempt, or a custom application crash, the model grasps the semantics. It extracts and standardizes the relevant pieces into your specified JSON schema. This strategy completely eradicates the need for managing numerous fragile regex patterns. It is scalable, remarkably robust, and seamlessly integrates with your existing data pipelines. Transforming text into JSON is merely one method to enhance your backend systems. In Part 4 of this series, we will address database performance. We will investigate how to utilize AI to automatically analyze and optimize slow SQL queries. Click the video on your screen now to watch Part 4. Be sure to subscribe to Creative AI Lab to achieve mastery over automated technical workflows.